Hello, all. Welcome to the class of Discrete Mathematical Structures, 18 CS 36. Today I'll be teaching a topic in Module 5, that is trees. The topic name is sorting. Myself, Dr. Madhura, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, Sai Vidya Institute of Technology, Bengaluru. Sorting, we'll first know the definition. The method of splitting and merging done by the use of balanced complete trees is known as merge sort. So in this method, we are going to split the given elements and later we merge the given elements, and it is done by the concept of balanced complete trees is known as merge sort. And the process of sorting consists of two parts. In the first part, we recursively split the given list and all subsequent lists into half until each sublist contains a single element. So in the first part, we are going to split. Continuously, we are going to split the given list. And in all the subsequent lists, we are going to split it into half of them. And until each sublist contains a single element, we are going to use this. In the second part, we merge the sublists in non-decreasing order until the original n integers have been sorted. So we are going to merge the sublists in the non-decreasing order, that is from ascending to increasing order, until the original n integers have been sorted. So this is the procedure what we are going to follow in the merge sort concept. So let us do the problems on this. Apply merge sort to the following lists. So in the given list, a set of elements are given for us. In we have to arrange them, we have to merge sort, apply the procedure of merge sort and arrange this list in the increasing order or the non-descending order. First, we are going to split. Consider the given set of elements. We consider it in the form of a set. We are going to divide this list into half. So on the left hand part, we have the first half of it and the second half of it in the right hand part. So there are totally 3, 6, 9, 12 elements. So 6 of the elements to the left and remaining 6 of the elements to the right. This is the splitting part. Similarly, we have 6 elements. We are going to divide or split into left and the right part. So left sort of the elements have 3 elements, and again right part of it have the 3 elements. So minus 1, 7, 4 to the left, 11, 5, minus 8 to the right. Similarly, 15, minus 3, minus 2 to the left, and 6, 10, 3 to the right. Again, exactly split into half and do it. Now in the next part, we have 3 elements in each of these sets. So we are going to take maximum to the left and minimum to the right. So 2 elements to the left and 1 element to the right. So that is why minus 1, 7 to the left and 4 to the right. Similarly here, 11, 5 and minus 8 can be split as 11, 5 to the left and 8, minus 8 to the right. In the same manner for the remaining 2 sets. Now we have 2 elements left over in these sets, that is minus 1, 7, 11, 5, 15, minus 3 and then 6, 10. We have 2 elements left over here, so each one of them will be split into single elements. And before this step, if we observe, already there were some elements which were into single elements, that is 4, minus 8, minus 2 and 3. So this we are going to retain them as it is in the previous but one step. So minus 1, 7 is split into single element, 11, 5 is split into single element, 15, minus 3 is split, and then 6, 10 is split. So this is how we split the elements, dividing into exactly half. Now we observe that these elements 4, minus 8, minus 2 and 3 are already single elements in the previous but one step, and we consider these while merging in the second step. Second step of merging, we are going to consider these single elements. Now we move on to the merge part of it. So in the merge part, we consider all those elements in the final step what we had, that is minus 1, 7, 11, 5, 15, minus 3, 6, 10. We consider these elements in the first step. We merge them. So minus 1, 7, while merging, we take care that we are merging in the ascending order or the non-decreasing order. So minus 1 comma 7, here 5 comma 4 comes, and then this is minus 3 comma 15, and this is 6 comma 10. We observe that the leftover elements, single elements in the last but one step of split are considered directly in the second step of merge. That is 4, minus 8, minus 2 and 3 are directly considered here. Now again we apply the merge concept. Minus 1, 7 and 4 are being merged. 5, 11, minus 8 are merged. Minus 3, 15, minus 2 are merged. 6, 10 and minus 3 are merged. So while merging, we take care that we are arranging the elements in the non-decreasing order. So minus 1 first, then the element 4 followed by 7. Similarly here, minus 8, the least element is minus 8, then comes 5, then comes 11. And the next merge will be for minus 3, minus 2, 15. Least of minus 3, minus 2 is minus 3. So least element should be written first. Similarly for 6, 10 and 3, we are going to arrange. We have 3, 6 and 10. 3, 6, 10. So we merge again these elements, 3 plus 3, 6 elements. Here also 3 plus 3, 6 elements. While arranging, we take care that we are arranging in the non-decreasing order. And the final merge will give us one single set, which is already arranged in the non-decreasing order. So we have minus 8, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, followed by 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 10, 11, 15. So we have to merge and take care that it is arranged in a decreasing order. A simple concept. So sorted version of the given list will be, we have just written the same thing without the set. So flower brackets are removed. So without in the form of a set, we have written the list. This is how we apply merge, sort and do problems. We'll see another problem now. Second problem. So this is the given list for us. We have to apply the concept of merge, sort and arrange these elements in the list. So minus 9, 6, 5, minus 3, 4, 2, minus 7, 6, minus 5, 10, minus 11, 0. First we split the elements. In the split, we take all the elements given in the form of a set. We divide it into exactly half. We had an odd number of elements here. So we take maximum to the left and minimum to the right. So there were totally 13 elements. So 7 to the left and 6 elements to the right. Again, we split 7 elements we have. So odd number. So 4 elements to the left and 3 elements to the right. Again, in this set also, there are 6 elements. So 3 and 3 elements we are splitting. Then we have minus 9, 6, 5, minus 3, 4 elements. So split exactly into half. So two elements are taken into the left and to the right. Then we have odd number of elements. Take maximum to the left and minimum to the right. So 6 minus 5, 10. Again, there are odd number of elements. So take maximum, that is 6, minus 5 to the left and 10 only to the right. While splitting, we do not arrange them in order. We just take the elements as it is in the same order what the given set has. Similarly, for minus 11, 0, 1, we have done it. Then we have minus 9, 6. So it comes into single elements in the next step. We already have some single elements here, minus 7, 10, and 1. So we do not touch them. We retain them as it is. They are already the single elements. So later we consider them while merging in the second step of the merge. So single elements which were all already single, became single in the previous but one step will be considered in the second step of merge. That is what we mean to say. So in the merge concept, we take all the elements that were there in the last step of split It is minus 9, 6, 5, minus 3, 4, 2, 6, minus 5, minus 11, 0. These elements we consider in the first step of merge. In the second step of merge, we consider these elements left over, that is minus 7, 10, and 1. Now we apply the merge concept. While merging, we take care that we are arranging in the non-descending order, decreasing order. So minus 9 is the least, then comes 6. 5 minus 3, so minus 3, 5 becomes 4, 2, so it becomes 2, 4. Then we have the single element minus 7 in its place as it is written. Then we have minus 5, 6. The single element 10 as it is in its place, which was there in the previous one step in the split. Then we have minus 11, 0 as it is, and the single element 1. Again, apply the concept of merge. Take two sets and combine them. So we have minus 9, minus 3, 5, 6 arranged in the non-decreasing order. 2, 4, minus 7. So again we arrange this, it becomes minus 10, 2, 4. We have minus 5, 6, 10. So we take this and we arrange, it becomes minus 5, 6, 10 in the non-decreasing order. Finally for minus 11, 0, 1 also in the non-decreasing order. Again merge. So we have minus 9, minus 7, minus 3, 2, 4, 5, 6. Similarly here also. Arranging in the non-descending order. And one last step to merge these two sets that we had here. So when you are merging, we observe there is 6 repeated. So while merging, we just take care to write down only one time. So that the sorted version of the given list can be written as minus 9, minus 11, minus 9, minus 7, minus 5, minus 3, 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 10 is the sorted version of the given list. So this is a very easy concept that's called as sorting. Some practice questions are given for you so that these questions will help you to have a better clarity. Thank you for watching.